So, your son has run away from home, or someone's stole something from you, like your wallet, and you want to try and catch them. Well, this is the Mavic Mini in sports mode, chasing my son. As you can see, it caught him up pretty easily, and we're just going to go again, close to the floor to catch him again, and then bring it straight up over the tree, not hitting the tree, just missed that there. See the birds flapping around, there we go. Where's he gone? The little bastard. Oh, there he is, there you go. So if your kids do try and run away from home, having a drone is probably a good way to catch them. But you have to actually know that they've run away, so if they've run away in the middle of the night you won't know where to find them, but if you see them running, you'll be able to catch them. Just like you can catch a subscribe by clicking it and clicking the like button on the video. But there he is, look, he's waving, a little cheeky bastard. Right, there he is, little Joe Savo. Hello Joe. What's he doing? He's pointing at me, look. Don't point at me. He's saying press the like button on the video and leave a comment. Anyway, it's the Mavic Mini. I'm thinking about I actually broke my drone quite badly. I'm thinking about getting the, well, it's actually completely destroyed. I've got a picture of it, I'll show you now. But there he is again, he's running away, so we'll give him a little bit of a head start. We'll line it up, we'll just get a little bit lower, because it always looks good. If we can get lower, yeah, here we go. Right, lower to the ground. It always looks good when you're chasing somebody lower to the ground on the drone. There we go, look at that. Look how fast it's going. The grass is going past like a flash, straight over the top. And here I am. This is me, look. I am the OG drone controller. Boom. There you go. So if you did like that, just a little quick video showing you chasing my son with the drone. There you go.